Well, locally, there is a small school in Roseville making big noise on the basketball court with a total of just 104 high school students in the school. Valley Christian High School has produced a big-time program. The new standard for boys basketball in Division 5 is the Valley Christian Academy Lions from Roseville. Last year, this team reached the state playoffs, and from this year's success, they appear to be headed to the big show once again. And it's pretty simple as to why they have been successful.
When the character issues are not an issue, winning becomes pretty easy because they listen. It becomes a yes, sir situation instead of why. And this year's team has done a very, very good job of gelling together, making sure character is not something that we ever have to worry about. We've been able to focus on basketball.
With an overall record of 21-3, the Lions have the best record in the entire Sacramento section in Division 5 schools.
It was because of how hard we worked to get here. We had a lot of close games, but as our teamwork helped us get here. So yeah, we expected to have a pretty decent record.
With an average height of 6'3" among a team of 14 players, the Lions are averaging 70 points per game. And with a league record of 10-0, they are on pace to win back-to-back Sac Metro Athletic League titles.
We run and gun, we got three-point shooters, and then you got bigs down low. I mean, I'm the starting center, and I mean, if I get taken out, we got two more bigs that can fill my spot easily. So we're an all well-balanced team.
The style of play for the Valley Christian Academy Lions is an up-tempo pace because high intensity means more players in rotation.
The more we press, the more we run and gun, the more kids get to play. It's exciting for the fans, and to be honest with you, it's exciting for myself. It's just, I give props to the coaches that like that half-court game, but I want it up and down.